Calculate the radiation of a radioactive source. Options are fathometer, dictaphone, Geiger Muller counter, manometer.
Geiger Muller counter.
Correct. Geiger Muller counter. Next. What is the instrument used to determine the viscosity of liquids? Spirometer,
It
hydrophone,
hydrometer,
viscometer, thermostat.
Viscometer.
viscometer,
Viscometer.
Viscometer.
Correct. What is the instrument used to determine the refractive index of transparent mediums? Pyrometer, radar, refractometer, radiometer.
Refractometer.
Refractor.
Refractometer, correct. Refractive index. What is the instrument used in submarines with the help of which a person immersed in water can see the
Sonar.
view above water?
Sonar.
Stroboscope,
Sonar. Sonar.
Radar.
gyroscope, stroboscope, periscope, speedometer.
gyroscope,
Gyroscope.
Scope.
Periscope,
Periscope.
correct. Periscope.
Periscope.
Which instrument measures the growth rate of plants? Growth rate of plants.
এটা ବା କ୍ରେସ୍କୋଗ୍ରାଫ,
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଗ୍ରୋଥ
Option 1.
ଗ୍ରୋଥ ରେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟସ୍। ଏଠି ଅପସନ୍ ତ ନାହିଁ ତ ମୁଁ କହିଦେଉଛି ଅକ୍ସାନୋମିଟର। ସୋଲାର ରେଡିଏସନ୍,
ହେଲିଓ ନା ନା ନା
Helio.
ପାଏର ହେଲିଓମିଟର। Next. Pressure is a vector quantity. True or false?
false,
False. False.
False.
Scalar.
Scalar quantity. ଏବେ only କହିବ true or false କହିବ। Sphygmomanometer measures the blood pressure in the arteries.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct.
Correct. Instrument used for measuring low temperatures is called cryometer.
Wrong.
Galvanometer.
True ଅଛି।
ଟେମ୍ପରେଚର ପଡିଛି,
Correct.
Low temperature.
କଣ ଏଟା
Instrument
କୁହନ୍ତି?
for measuring low temperatures is
ହଁ
called
କ୍ରାୟୋମିଟର, ହଁ
cryometer. Next. Instrument for measuring work performed is called ergometer.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି।
Correct. Instrument for measuring the blueness of the sky is called cyanometer. Instrument used for measuring blueness of the sky or ocean is called cyanometer. Correct.
Full.
Cyanometer, correct. Instrument for measuring time is called chronometer.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି।
Correct. ठीक ଅଛି।
Correct. Instrument for measuring electrical resistance is ohm meter.
ଠିକ
ठीक
ଅଛି।
ଅଛି।
Correct.
Correct. Instrument to measure height of an aircraft above a fixed level is altimeter.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct.
Correct. Instrument used to measure the intensity of light produced by an unknown source in terms of a standard source is photometer.
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି।
है।
Correct.
ठीक है।
Photometer, correct. Seismograph is used to measure the intensity of earthquake.
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 ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି।
Earthquake.
Correct.
Earthquake. Correct. Correct.
Next. Mass is a scalar quantity.
ठीक ଅଛି।
Vector quantity.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक
ठीक ଅଛି।
Correct.
ठीक ଅଛି।
Correct. Force is a vector quantity.
भूल
ठीक है
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक है
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct.
କରେକ୍ଟ
Young's modulus is a scalar quantity.
no
ଭେକ୍ଟର କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି
vector quantity
Scalar quantity, correct.
module ଟା କୋଉଟା
A quantity that has two independent properties, magnitude and direction, is called scalar quantity.
भूल
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ଭେକ୍ଟର
ଭୁଲ
ଭେକ୍ଟର
vector
କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ହବ
Correct. Work has no direction, only have magnitude.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Momentum has both direction and magnitude.
ठीक
ଠିକ
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
ठीक है
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct. Efficiency of work is known as energy.
ठीक
ଠିକ
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
ଠିକ
ଠିକ
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct. Work is present if there is force.
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक है
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct. Work does not depend upon mass of an object.
ନା ଭୁଲ ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ
Correct.
ନଟ୍ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ
Does not depend upon mass of an object. Work is known as force into displacement.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक है
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct. Work can only be done when energy is present.
ଠିକ
ଠିକ
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct. Work done if the angle between applied force and direction of displacement is 90 degree is zero.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି କରେକ୍ଟ
Correct. Rate of doing work is called energy.
ପାୱାର
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ପାୱାର ପାୱାର
Power.
ହଁ
Correct.
power ହେବ
Power hobo. 1 horsepower is equal to 756 watts.
746
सिक्स
46 watts. Correct. Power is equal to work by time.
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଇନଟୁ ଟାଇମ ଠିକ ଅଛି ୱାର୍କ ବାଇ ଟାଇମ
Work by time. Correct. A car running at high speed possesses potential energy.
काइनेटिक एनर्जी
काइनेटिक
Correct. Correct. Kinetic energy. Potential energy of an object increases with its height.
भूल
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct.
ठीक है
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Potential energy of an object increases with its height. Windmill uses energy of wind in the form of kinetic energy.
ठीक है
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct. If momentum of an object is tripled 3 times, its kinetic energy will be tripled of its original value.
9
9.
9 times
Correct. Correct. Square hobo. Momentum of an object is tripled, kinetic energy will be 9 times of the original value. The raised hammer has potential energy.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक है
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
In wind power, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy.
ठीक
ठीक
है
ଅଛି
Correct. When the velocity of a moving object doubles, kinetic energy will be 2 times.
4 times
4
4
times.
times
बिल्कुल square होगा. In electric bulb, electrical energy is converted into light energy.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct.
ହଁ
In dynamo, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଠିକ
In
ଅଛି
electric motor, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy.
भूल
ठीक ଅଛି इलेक्ट्रिकल मेकानिकल हबो
भूल
सॉरी
अच्छी.
सॉरी उल्टा है गला
भूल अच्छी. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. In heat engine, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy.
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Potential energy
ठीक
is
ଅଛି.
equal to half mv square.
भूल
काइनेटिक एनर्जी हाफ एमबी स्क्वायर
Correct.
हाँ
Potential energy is equal to mgh.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct. The bullet fired from the gun goes deep inside the target because it has potential energy.
काइनेटिक एनर्जी
kinetic energy
एनर्जी
काइनेटिक एनर्जी
Kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body due to the change in position or shape is called potential energy.
ठीक ଅଛି
Kinetic.
ठीक
ठीक
है
ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି
Position କହୁଛି ନା correct ଅଛି. Next, during the free falling of an object, the kinetic energy decreases,
ଭୁଲ
remain
ଅଛି।
remain same
भूल ଅଛି
increases. Free falling of an object, kinetic energy increases. The unit of measurement of energy is joule.
ଠିକ
ଠିକ
ଅଛି।
ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct. A compressed spring has greater energy compared to a normal string.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct. Kinetic energy increases with speed.
ଠିକ
ଠିକ
ଅଛି
ଅଛି।
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct. Wind turbine converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଏନର୍ଜି।
ଟର୍ବାଇନ
इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଏନର୍ଜି।
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ
Correct. The water raised at a certain height has potential energy.
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct. କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ହୁଳହୁଳି ମାରୁଛି ଏଠି। Measurement of mass of an object is called measurement of inertia.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct. The unit of measuring the inertia of any object is mass.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct. Mass of an object is fixed and does not change when it is moved.
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct. Isaac Newton formulated two laws of motion.
भूल
थ्री लॉज ऑफ मोशन।
Three laws
ये
of motion. Correct.
थ्री लॉज ऑफ मोशन।
Newton's third law of motion is proved by flying of birds.
भूल
नो नो
भूल। ठीक ଅଛି।
Correct. Flying of birds, third law of motion. Sudden application of
नहीं वो
brakes. Sudden application of brakes in a moving bus causes passenger to lean forward comes under Newton's first law.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक
लॉ
ଅଛି।
ऑफ इनर्शिया हाँ
Correct. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This is Newton's second law.
थर्ड लॉ।
थर्ड लॉ थर्ड लॉ
थर्ड
थर्ड
लॉ।
लॉ
Third law.
हार्ड लॉर्ड
If we move the tree branch fast, then some of the leaves get detached from the tree due to inertia.
ठीक ଅଛି।
इनर्शिया हाँ
Correct. The equation for Newton's second law of motion is F is equal to ma.
ठीक
ଠିକ
ଅଛି।
ଅଛି
हाँ ठीक है
ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक है
Correct. The other name of Newton's first law of motion is law of inertia.
ठीक
ठीक
है
है
ठीक ଅଛି।
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Second law of motion is related to momentum.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक है
Correct. When a sailor jumps in the forward direction, the boat
थर्ड
drifts backwards. This is an example of Newton's
हार्ड
third law.
लॉ
थर्ड लॉ।
Correct.
Third law.
Newton's third law.
थर्ड लॉ।
A stock of books lying on the table does not move due to inertia.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ଠିକ
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି।
Correct. A cannon recoils after firing due to Newton's third law of motion.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ସବୁ ତ ଠିକ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ. Force is equal to mass into acceleration.
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି।
ठीक है
All forces have both magnitude and direction.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି।
ठीक है
ଠିକ ଅଛି
A larger force on a rotating body results in larger torque.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक है
ठीक ଅଛି।
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct. If velocity is doubled, then momentum increases 2 times and kinetic energy increases 2 times.
भूल ଅଛି
फोर टाइम्स
कोटा 4 times.
काइनेटिक
काइनेटिक एनर्जी
काइनेटिक एनर्जी।
Correct. Now momentum
शेयर है
टू टाइम्स
डबल हो
सेम।
2 times. Velocity is doubled माने momentum भी ता सहित 2 times. Rate of change of momentum is what?
Acceleration. Sorry.
Force, correct.
Acceleration ना
Force.
force
Force.
Force.
The combined effect of mass and velocity is taken into account by which physical quantity?
Kinetic energy. Momentum.
Momentum.
Kinetic
Momentum.
energy. Momentum.
Momentum. Rocket propulsion works on the principle of conservation of mass.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक अच्छी.
Momentum. Principle of conservation of momentum.
Sorry. Momentum.
Formula for distance is speed into time.
ठीक है
ठीक अच्छी.
Correct. Distance is a physical quantity that can never be negative.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक अच्छी.
ठीक है ठीक है
In a projectile motion, the path of the projectile is called trajectory.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक अच्छी.
Correct. The trajectory or path of a projectile is a hyperbola.
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
अच्छी.
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
भूल parabola. Next, for maximum range, angle of projection should be 45 degree.
90 डिग्री
90 degree.
45 degree, correct.
The max.
For
ठीक अच्छी.
maximum range,
Maximum
angle of
range.
projection should be 45 degree. Javelin throw. Next. नीरज चोपड़ा ଭଲ ଜାଣିଥିବ ନାଇଁ? Negative acceleration is in the opposite direction of velocity.
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct. Zero acceleration means velocity of object is constant.
ठीक अच्छी.
ठीक है
Correct. Positive acceleration means velocity of object increases.
ठीक अच्छी.
ठीक ଅଛି
Retardation is positive acceleration.
Negative acceleration.
Negative acceleration, correct.
Negative.
When the acceleration of an object is change in its velocity per unit in time.
ठीक अच्छी.
Correct. Change in velocity. Slope of velocity time graph represents motion.
ठीक अच्छी.
भूल acceleration.
नहीं acceleration.
A freely falling body is an example of uniform acceleration.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक अच्छी.
Correct.
ठीक अच्छी.
Acceleration is the measure of change in velocity per unit time of an object.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक अच्छी.
V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. All these are
ठीक है
ସବୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି
कौन है सब?
ଦିଟା ଠିକ ଅଛି
Motion.
ହାଟା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
Motion equation. Equation of motion.
Equation of motion, correct. सब ठीक अच्छी. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. एथिरे S कौन?
हाँ
S कौन?
Speed. Speed.
स्पीड
Speed.
ସ୍ପीड
Displacement.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट
Displacement. S
हाँ
no
जोटा
displacement.
हाँ
A कौन?
एक्सेलरेशन
एक्सेलरेशन
U.
एक्सेलरेशन
Correct. U.
इनिशियल
Initial velocity.
Initial velocity. V.
फाइनल वेलोसिटी
Final
फाइनल
velocity.
फाइनल वेलोसिटी
Final velocity. In rectilinear motion, objects move along straight line.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Correct.
ठीक अच्छी.
If a body slides over a surface, the force resisting the motion between them is called friction.
ठीक अच्छी.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक है
The type of friction which is called self-adjusting force is static friction.
ठीक अच्छी.
Correct.
ठीक अच्छी.
Static friction. The motion which repeats itself after some time is called periodic motion.
ठीक अच्छी.
ठीक है
The time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called frequency.
ठीक अच्छी. ठीक अच्छी.
Time period.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Time period. Centripetal force acts in a roller coaster ride.
ठीक ଅଛି
Centripetal.
ठीक ଅଛି
सेंट्रीफ्यूगल
ठीक
हाँ
ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି ठीक ଅଛି
सेंट्रिपिटल ठीक ଅଛି
When the car takes a turn, the force that pushes us outward is centrifugal force.
ନାଇଁ
ଠିକ ଅଛି
सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स
हाँ
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି फ्यूगल
Fugal हवा
सेंट्रिफ्यूगल
Correct ଅଛି, correct. Fugal. Centrifugal. Laws of gravitation were given by Isaac Newton.
ठीक ଅଛି ठीक ଅଛି
Correct. The value of gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square.
-9 पे ना 11
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct
ठीक
ଅଛି.
ଅଛି
6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton
-11
meter square by kg square. F is equal to gmm by d square. ଏଥିରେ g କ'ଣ?
ग्रेविटी
ग्रेविटेशनल
gravitational
कांस्टेंट
force
Gravitational constant.
यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल
Correct. Milk is an example of emulsion.
ठीक ଅଛି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
Lead is not a compound.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
not a compound ठीक ଅଛି
Correct.
ठीक ଅଛି
Crackers fireworks is a chemical change.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି ठीक ଅଛି
Correct. Cooking of cake is an example of chemical change.
ଠିକ
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
Evaporation of water is a physical change.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
Correct.
ठीक ଅଛି ठीक ଅଛି
हाँ,
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct. Melting of wax is a chemical change.
फिजिकल चेंज
ଠିକ ଅଛି
फिजिकल
physical
चेंज
change
Physical change hobo. Correct. Physical change hobo. Water freezing into ice is a physical change.
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct.
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
Rusting of iron is a physical change.
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି
केमिकल
केमिकल
चेंज
चेंज
chemical
Chemical change. Combustion of fuel is a chemical change.
ଠିକ
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
Correct.
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
Burning of candle is a chemical change.
ठीक ଅଛି
फिजिकल चेंज
physical change
Chemical change.
ठीक
Correct.
ଅଛି
Chemical change. Soaring of butter is a physical change.
केमिकल चेंज
केमिकल चेंज
Chemical change. Digestion of food is a chemical change.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି
Sublimation is a physical change.
chemical
ठीक अछि
ठीक ଅଛି
chemical
ठीक ଅଛି
ठीक अछि
Physical change. Correct. Dissolving of sugar in water is a physical change.
ठीक अछि
केमिकल चेंज
फिजिकल
Dissolving
चेंज
of sugar in water.
ओनली फिजिकल
Physical change.
फिजिकल चेंज
Physical change. Mixture of sugar and salt in water is a physical change.
ठीक अछि
ठीक अछि
ठीक ଅଛି
Correct. Wood burning is a physical change.
केमिकल चेंज
ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
अछि
केमिकल
ठीक
चेंज
अछि
केमिकल
ठीक
Chemical
ଅଛି
change. Chemical change. କେତେ ସାରା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ଖାଲି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହଉଥିବ ନାଇଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରାଲାଇଜେସନ ଇଜ ଏ କେମିକାଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜ
acid plus base
ठीक
हाँ ठीक अछि
यस ठीक अछि
ठीक ଅଛି
करेक्ट इभापोरेशन ऑफ वाटर इज फिजिकल चेंज
ठीक अछि
ठीक ଅଛି ठीक
ठीक
ଅଛି
अछि
मैग्नेटाइजेशन ऑफ आयरन इज ए फिजिकल चेंज
केमिकल बोधा
केमिकल चेंज
फिजिकल ठीक अच्छी फिजिकल मैग्नेटाइजेशन कहूची
ओहो
मिल्क कोएगुलेशन इज ए केमिकल चेंज
ठीक अछि
ठीक ଅଛି
करेक्ट
ठीक अछि
पुटिंग फॉस्फोरस इन kerosene oil is a chemical change
ठीक अछि
ठीक अछि
correct burning of lpg is a chemical change
ठीक अछि
ठीक अछि
ठीक ଅଛି
correct hydrolysis is a chemical change
ठीक अछि
correct अच्छी release of hydrogen
केमिकल
and
चेंज
oxygen release of hydrogen and oxygen correct chemical change होगा Photosynthesis in plants is a chemical change.
ठीक अच्छी
Correct.
ठीक अच्छी
Water changes to ice is a physical change.
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
Conversion of milk into curd is a chemical change.
ठीक
ठीक
अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी ठीक अच्छी
Rolling a roti from dough and baking it on a tawa is a physical change.
केमिकल
केमिकल चेंज
Sure.
फिजिकल सेंस
ବେକିଂ ହେଇଗଲା ପା
ସେ କଣ ପୁଣି ଅଟା ହେଇଯିବ କି
ଆଉ ହବନି
Correct. Correct.
experienced
Next. Dash states that mass cannot be produced or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Which law
लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन
of mass? Correct.
love का
Dalton proposed that each element has a particular atomic mass.
ठीक
yes ठीक अच्छी
डाल्टन हाँ ठीक अच्छी
John Dalton is considered father of modern atomic theory.
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
Molecular weight of heavy water is 18.
ठीक अच्छी
20. Molecular weight of heavy water is 20. Atomic mass of calcium is 40.
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी ठीक
ठीक
अच्छी
अच्छी
Correct. In CaO, that is कौन सेटा? Quite
कैल्शियम
ऑक्साइड
कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड
correct. The ratio of
क्विक
Ca and O by mass is what? What is the ratio of Ca and O by mass?
2:1 2:1
Mass କହିଛି mass by mass.
मास कौन सा
5:2
Correct. 40 is to 16 ହଉଛି ତ କାଟିଲେ 5 is to 2. What is the percentage of hydrogen present in H2O? H2O रे percentage केते था hydrogen?
50%. 33. 33.
11.11. 11.11. 1 by 9.
अनबैन
Next. The number of atoms that constitute a molecule is known as its atomicity.
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
Correct. 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide.
ठीक
ठीक
अच्छी
अच्छी
Correct. The key number कहନ୍ତି.
Avogadro's.
Avogadro's
Correct. Mass of a hydrogen atom is 1837 times the mass of an electron.
ठीक अच्छी
Correct.
ठीक अच्छी
Water is a polar molecule.
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
Correct. The word mole in the chemistry was introduced by Wilhelm Ostwald. Wilhelm Ostwald. Correct. Boron, silicon, and germanium are classified as non-metals.
wood
कौन होगा?
metalloid
Metal.
लर्ड हाँ
Copper was the first element used by human.
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी ठीक अच्छी
Correct. Metals are conductor of electricity because it contains free electrons.
ठीक
ठीक
अच्छी
अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
Correct. The fact metals are electropositive in nature.
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
Correct. Boron, silicon, antimony are metalloids.
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
Silicon is the metal used in solar panel.
ठीक अच्छी ठीक अच्छी
ठीक अच्छी
conversion of liquid to solid is called freezing.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Evaporation is called the conversion of gas to liquid.
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଲିକ୍ୱିଡ ଟୁ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍।
लिक्विड ରୁ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍।
କଣ୍ଡେନସେସନ ହବ ସେଟା।
बिल्कुल तो
ସେଟା
लिक्विड
କଣ୍ଡେନସେସନ।
हाँ तो एटा हबो लिक्विड टू गैस evaporation. The process of transformation of substance in a gaseous state into liquid state is condensation.
କଣ୍ଡେନସେସନ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
The process that changes liquids directly into gases is called vaporization.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Solid to gas changes occur on heating the camphor.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି କଳ୍ପନା।
When calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water, slacked lime is the main product.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Osmosis is diffused conduction of water.
ପିଲାନି।
Osmosis is diffused conduction of water.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
The form of carbon used as a dry lubricant is graphite.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Relative mass of carbon monoxide is 56. 28 16 12 28 Alpha rays are nucleus of helium.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct. Proton has positive charge.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ
ଠିକ
ଅଛି।
ଅଛି।
Proton and electron are present in atom's nucleus.
ଠିକ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Proton
ପ୍ରୋଟନ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରନ।
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନ ଆଉ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରନ।
proton
ପ୍ରୋଟନ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରନ।
ପ୍ରୋଟନ ଆଉ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରନ।
proton ଆଉ neutron. Democritus discovered the word atom.
ଭୁଲ।
ଭୁଲ।
Correct. Democritus discovered the word atom. Atomic number of an atom gives the number of protons. Correct. Mass of proton and mass of neutron is same.
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Correct.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Atoms of two elements are same.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Different.
सेम एटॉमिक नो
ସେଟା ତ ଆଇସୋଟୋପ ଆଇସୋଟୋପ।
By gold foil experiment, Dalton proved the existence of nucleus.
भूल।
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି।
Rutherford, correct. There will be maximum 18 electrons in n cells, n for nose.
भूल।
8
भूल।
32.
ନା 32 KLMN
32.
32
The maximum number of electrons present in a cell is given by the formula 2n.
2n
2n
square।
square
2n. Correct. John Dalton provided the basic theory about nature of matter.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Silicon has the electronic configuration 283.
भूल।
13
भूल।
कौन होगा?
हाइड्रोजन हीलियम लिथियम बेरिलियम बोरॉन कार्बन नाइट्रोजन।
ଆଲୁମିନିୟମ।
13 ତ ଦେଇଥିଲା।
तो 2 8 4 ही होगा सिलिकॉन।
हाँ
4.
14
Oxygen has 6 electrons in its outermost shell.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ଠିକ
ଠିକ
ଅଛି।
ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Chlorine has electronic configuration 288.
भूल।
7 287
287।
भूल।
Correct. 287. 287. 4 electrons are present in L cell of a carbon atom.
ठीक अच्छे
Correct.
ठीक अच्छे
If an element has atomic number 8, its electronic configuration will be
2
2
6
6.
ठीक अच्छे
6
ठीक अच्छे ऑक्सीजन
The electronic configuration of a metal is 283.
बोलो बोलो
नहीं
सिलिकॉन का
भूल
सिलिकॉन का
सोडियम एक करे
मैग्नीशियम
अरे
सॉरी सर
283 कोटा
मेटल
अल्यूमिनियम अल्यूमिनियम अल्यूमिनियम
अल्युमिनियम
मेटल नहगी
मेटलटा
ठीक
मेटलटा
अछि
जीवन
तो ठीक होबो ना.
ठीक अछि
हाँ ठीक
The electronic configuration of an element is 2881. The element is potassium.
ठीक अच्छे ठीक अच्छे
ठीक अच्छे ठीक अच्छे
Correct.
माने 19
Correct.
पोटेशियम ठीक अछि
The number of neutrons present in the atom of nitrogen is 7.
ठीक अच्छे
ठीक अछि
Correct. Mass number is the sum of number of protons and electrons.
बोलो
न्यूट्रॉन्स
बोलो
प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन
इलेक्ट्रॉन और न्यूट्रॉन
वन प्लस न्यूट्रॉन
प्रोटॉन
Proton
न्यूट्रॉन
and neutron, correct. Atomic number is represented by the letter N.
बोलो
जेड
जेड
जेड जेड
जेड
जेड जेड
Correct. Correct. Z. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7.
ठीक अछि
ठीक अच्छे
Correct. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14.
ठीक अच्छे
ठीक
Atomic,
ठीक अछि
atomic mass of oxygen is 16.
ठीक अच्छे
ठीक
ठीक
अच्छे
अछि
ठीक अछि
Atomic
ठीक अछि
number of chromium is 24.
ठीक है ठीक अच्छे
Correct. Isobars are atoms that share same mass number but different atomic number.
ମୋର ସାର୍ ଆଟମିକ ମାସ ତ 24 ନୁହଁ 52 ହବ
कौन?
କ୍ରୋମିୟମର ଆଟମିକ ମାସ ତ 52
Atomic number कहती
ନମ୍ବର ନମ୍ବର 24
Isobars are atoms that share same mass number but different atomic number.
ठीक अच्छे
ठीक अछि
ठीक अच्छे
Ions that have same number of electrons are isoelectronic.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक अछि
ठीक
ठीक
अच्छे
ठीक
अछि
अछि
Correct. Isotopes are atoms of same number of electrons but different number of neutrons.
ଆଇସୋ
टॉन्स का
टॉप
नंबर
डिफरेंट भूल अछि
ଭୁଲ
एटॉमिक
ଆଇସୋଟୋପ
नंबर जोटा
Same number of protons
हाँ
but different number of neutrons. That is mass number. Chemical properties of isotope is same.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक अछि
Correct. Scandium has 13 types of isotopes. এটা ଗୋଟେ out of box ହେଇଗଲା ନାଇଁ? Correct. ହେଲା correct. 13. When you change the number of neutrons of an atom, its mass number changes.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक
ठीक
अछि
अच्छे
Correct. ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏତିକି ଠିକ ଠିକ ହେଇକି ଠିକ ହେଇଗଲା ସବୁ ତ ପୁଣି କାଲି ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବା ରେଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ